Hi, I'm Samy from Bangalore, and I'm currently in my third year of college, and I'm pursuing a Bachelor of Engineering degree in Computer Science Engineering. I would like to talk about the Mastermind program that I attended, which is based off the book The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth by John C. Maxwell, and was facilitated by the Maxwell Leadership Certified Team member, Mr. Balan Swaminathan. So I would like to share my takeaways from attending this program. So my first takeaways would be the self-worth and me realizing how much more I'm capable of. So from reading this book, I really understood how much more I am potent and what more I could achieve, because I was always someone who was content with whatever skills I had, be it academic prowess or my interest in music. I was always not keen to learn more, and I was always happy with whatever I knew, but this restricted my growth and I never really improved if you compare myself over the years. And so reading this book really gave me a guidance on how I could improve my skills and be a better version of myself, essentially. And my second takeaway would be the importance of the environment around me. Just like how a plant's growth is really dependent on the environment around it, I realized that self-growth is not just about ourselves, but it depends on the environment around us, the company we have or the friends we have around us. Because self-growth not only depends on what we do, but it also depends on the mindset that we get by the environment around us. And I really realized after reading this book and attending this program that the environment around us really affects our mindset, whether we have a positive mindset or in general a positive outlook in life. And most of all, my final key takeaway would be that self-growth is not a spontaneous process. It is something that is slow, and we need to track our progress day by day and make it a habit, so that at the end it would all be worthwhile. And I'm very sure that after reading this book, it gave me the reassurance that no matter how much I would strive towards my goals, it will always be worth at the end. And I'm very grateful for attending this session, and I totally recommend it for anyone watching this video. Thank you.